It's a three-possession game. Eh. Oh, nice steal again.
Richie fights for it. Up, guys. Break up.
Malapit nang matapos, may action pa rin.
Dumayip si Archie, no?
Anong tawag? Parang natawagan ng foul yung red shirt dun eh.
Okay, Abis. Sabi ni Tim, ano?
Yan naman yung bagong referee. Pero naman ang inabot ng ganun.
Sabi ni Tim, sige, tawagan mo na ako ng technical.
Gulat siya kasi dumayb yung tao. Tinawagan niya kaagad ng foul.
Technical foul on Coach Tim Cohen.
That's it.
It's out.
Coach Tim Cohen now on the play court for 2 technical fouls.
I'm still working on that referee.
Magpapakilala muna siya bago.
Mauna na si Tim sa locker.
Ito muna yung technical bago yung 2 free throws.